All right, so we're going to play paper dolls. This is probably the fastest and easiest way I can explain. So, as I mentioned, and I think you've caught on, there is a design flaw or a drafting flaw in your original. So here's the actual one. What they've done is it's a grading error. They've graded this area here. It shouldn't be graded the way they've done it. So, big sad face. Here's the one in the drawing. See how there's that difference right along here? So when I suggested in one of my other posts to shave off this section, that's what I'm talking about, is this piece here. Now, what I was talking about in this part here, now you've caught this part, that there's a pleat. So what that creates, of course, obviously, I think it could very well be a vent. I noticed in one of your other posts. So anyhow, it now creates a piece that looks roughly like that, which that much you know. So this piece should be fitting in like that. You see how they slide right into place? And it makes the back of the arm side. Now, as I mentioned, you're going to find there's this. It's going to have an excess at the bottom. Again, another design error in that they have created a really confusing mess in terms of information here, and really only an experienced seamstress and designer may have caught that. So, and that's part of the problem with some of these adult copies and things like that. They imply that you know what you're doing. So that's why I suggested ripping everything out to the waist and adjusting this out, because you had it in the right location, but you were trying to account for that extra piece, which again was doing that. So you had this situation going on here. So what you had is this little extra jog, and it wasn't making sense to you. So you tried pushing it into place, and then you end up with, like, as you mentioned, that back poof. That's what's causing it. So there you go. That's what your problem is. And again, I think you caught this much, and that these two pieces go together that way, and this piece goes in there and creates the complete arm side, and then of course folds around, makes your sleeve top. So that much you know. So, but there you go. That's where the problem is. So you can see how the whole thing slides into place and that it's going to be longer. So what you may want to do, what I was suggesting to shorten it, is to take it like this so you don't lose your volume, because you're going to end up losing volume in your skirt hem. Just lift it so that it fits like so, like that. So, and then just grade in this area here. So, and it's just like shortening or lengthening any other modern pattern. Same idea, but there you go. So that's what you want to do. All right. Hopefully that helps.